Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make this really fun St. Patrick's Day decor. Now this is not a beginner project. I would say this is anywhere from intermediate to advanced. Because there are so many pieces to cut out, it does take a little bit of time and it does take a little bit of patience when it comes to ironing on. But it is super cute and well worth the time and effort. So let me show you how it's done. For our St. Patrick's Day sign, we are going to be using this paint by Decor. We've got a green metallic and a green glitter. For our sign base, we have this large 15-inch circle sign. The base of it, or the back of it, was already painted white, which was perfect for this project. We've also got this green and black heat transfer vinyl that we're going to use, and I love using heat transfer vinyl even more than just regular vinyl on wood signs. And all that's left that we need is our Cricut Explorer Air 2, so let's bring that in. The design for this project is available in my Etsy shop, which I will link to below. I've already uploaded the design into Cricut Design Space and sized it. So now all that I have left is to click on Make It. I'm gonna load my mat. And then it will cut out all of those little X's for me. It will take a little bit since there are so many X's, but that's okay. I put down some paper to protect my work surface, and I've already taped the inside of my wood sign because I don't want any paint to get on this white background. Now I'm gonna bring in my green metallic paint. I'm just going to use this paper plate here as my palette. And I'm not exactly sure how many coats this is going to take, but I'm just going to paint the frame of my sign. Ooh, look how pretty. Now I've got 2 coats of the metallic here on my frame. So now I'm gonna put on some of the glitter paint. And same with this, I'm not exactly sure how many layers I'm going to do or coats. I'll just kind of have to see as I go. I applied one pretty thick coat of the glitter paint to my frame here. So while this dries, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to bring in my vinyl that I cut out with my Cricut Explorer Air 2, and I am going to begin weeding. I'm going to start up here in the corner. Corners are always the easiest place to start. Here is our vinyl design that is all weeded that we cut out with our Cricut Maker. So we are going to kind of center it here on our sign where we want it, because I want to make sure that I'm at the top of my sign and that everything is centered well. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm just going to trim around so that I fit inside my circle. Okay, again, I'm going to make sure everything is aligned how I want it to before I add my heat. Take off the black piece. We're going to iron that on second. I've got my Cricut Easy Press set to a temperature of 300 with 40 seconds time, which is the time recommended for iron on onto wood. And I'm also going to use this protective sheet just because I want to make sure that I don't touch my iron to anything else. Since it's painted, I don't know how that heat will affect that white background and I don't want it to burn. So to be safe, I'm just going to use this protective sheet. and lay that into place. Now we're gonna have to do a couple applications with the Easy Press, and that's okay. We just wanna make sure that we cover every area. So we're gonna start here. We are going to do a warm peel here, and it helps to have a scraper and even the Easy Press Mini close by to help you get those areas that weren't quite there, or to push down on the transfer sheet as you pull. So we're gonna peel this off. Now we are going to line up our word here with the cross stitch. I'm going to lay this protective sheet back over the shamrock. And we're going to focus all of our heat here on this high. Again, we're going to use that protective ironing sheet and our Cricut Easy Press. All right. Again, we're going to do a warm peel with our little scraper tool handy. And here. A little bit more heat right there. And here is our finished St. Patrick's Day decor. I'm probably going to put this on my door, make it a cute little door hanger. Didn't this turn out so fun? I want to thank you guys for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.